skills that I teach them are everyday skills that they will carry over into the trades and service or installing or whatever it be. Students can earn 4 hours of college credit through COD, and they also get OSHA certified for construction safety. Culture in the classroom is great. Beginning of the year, all the students will be a little shy of each other, and once they start coming around, they start talking, hanging out. It's awesome because they do develop great friendships by the time they leave school.
The HVAC program helped me just learn more of having people that have been doing it for that many years and just having that hands-on education that you can't get sitting at a desk.
I like seeing the success of the kids. When they get what they're doing, it lights up in their face, and hopefully they move on and they're successful if they go into the trades.